Hello, we are from Group 4 that consists me, Patricia, and my friends, Agatha, Alfia, Henfiyanti, Mediva, Nelysia, Shinta, and Yohana will present our presentation about SNP Finance. Next.
First is a company background. PT Sun Prima Nusantara Pembiayaan, or commonly known as SNP Finance, is a company that provides consumer finance services. SNP Finance was founded in 2000 but had a vacuum for 2 years, and then Columbia Group took over its ownership in 2002. And then SNP Finance was only fully operational in 2004. SNP Finance specializes in financing electronic products, furniture, cellular phones, information technology, musical instrument, agricultural and plantation equipment, and cars. SNP Finance is a Columbia partner in facilitating credit and installment for Columbia customers. Columbia itself has a very large number of outlets spread in almost all regions in Indonesia. Seeing such condition, of course, SNP Finance must have a large amount of working capital to cover the credit of Columbia customers. In its activities, SNP Finance received financing support for purchasing goods sourced from bank credit.
Next, financial statement fraud. The case carried by SNP Finance in 2018. The finance company under the Columbia Group in financial statement looks good. The company debt rating received an IDA or stable rating from Pevindo in March 2018. But SNP Finance experienced setback in change in customer buying. Customer prefer to buy product in online shopping application which is and cheaper.
However, the company's condition has changed 180 degrees because the medium-term notes or MTN coupons issued by the SNP cannot be paid. The Financial Services Authority or OJK stopped SNP's business activities because the company could not pay the MTN interest of 6.75 billion on May 14, 2018. SNP did not submit financial statements correctly, so rating companies and auditors did not issue warning before defaults occurred.
For the next is CPA firm involved. In the SNP Finance case, the public accounting firm or KAP under the entities Deloitte Indonesia is considered to be related to the case of default on medium-term notes or MTN issued by PT Sun Prima Nusantara Pembiayaan or SNP Finance. However, according to the Marketing and Communication lead of Deloitte Indonesia, said Satria Bing and Partners or SBA or KAP, which is one of Deloitte Indonesia entities, did conduct a general audit of SNP Finance financial statement.
However, the independent auditor's report on the latest SNP financial statement issue was for the 2016 financial year. They also explained that Deloitte Indonesia is represented by 5 entities, one of which is the SBE public accounting firm. So that the general audit of SNP financial statement is SBE. The last time SBE issued an independent auditor's report on SNP financial statement for the 2016 financial year. The audit was not related to the need for MTN issuance by SNP in 2017 and 2018. In addition, SBE was never asked for approval or notified by SNP if the audit report on the report SNP financial statement are used as a reference in the issuance of medium-term notes or MTN.
For the next is the aftermath. SNP Finance is in the status of being subject to a sanction of freezing of business activities by the OJK since May 2018. This is done because the finance company has not submitted information disclosure to all creditors and MTN holders until the deadline for the third warning sanction, in accordance with Article 53 POJK number 29/2014. With the freezing of business activities, SNP Finance is prohibited from conducting financing business activities. If SNP Finance continues to carry out financing business activities, OJK can immediately impose sanction for revocation of business licenses.
During the PKU sanction period, SNP Finance is also required to submit and take corrective actions. OJK will continue to monitor the progress of the SNP Finance case, as well as monitor the bank's internal audit team conducting internal investigations, and will provide sanctions if there are bank employees involved. OJK will continue to coordinate with relevant agencies, such as the police and the Ministry of Finance, for the necessary action and prohibit the issuance of MTN without permission, as well as prepare steps for coordination with the Ministry of Finance related to the work of the Public Accountant Office.
The conclusion of this case is issuance of MTN, PT SNP does not go through the process at OJK. SNP Finance is a finance company that has been a debtor of Mandiri Bank since 2004, and for a dozen years as a debtor of Mandiri Bank, SNP Finance has a good record with smooth credit quality. This makes many banks then participate in providing financing to SNP Finance. The problem in SNP Finance were actually caused by the bad intention of the company's management to avoid their obligation, which can be proven by SNP Finance, who directly filed a voluntary PKPU or debt payment obligation suspension. Next. So that's our presentation, and thank you.